Hi everybody, it's Alex from Ballade Sports. I wanted to share with you a new exhaust that we're making. It is the Type S. The Type S we did back in 2021 was the most successful exhaust that we've ever made, and it was in a single exit. But now the Type S is back and it is now in a dual exhaust. This is a prototype. Here it is, the Type S dual exhaust. Same mufflers, same resonator, but now you don't have that empty gap on the left side, on the driver's side. We have a dual muffler setup, which never before was made by ASM. They only made the single, and that's what we started out with. And then now we're doing the dual exhaust. So I'm going to show you the decibel reading right here. Go ahead. One more time. 109 it looks like. 109 decibels. Last time on the single exit we were at 130. And so now we're at 109. So the dual definitely is quieter. So this is it, guys. This is the chance, another Type S exhaust, but this time we made a change and we made it dual. So there's only going to be 100 made, and we're going to do the production. The pre-orders on our website, and the production release is scheduled for October 2022. Long story short is this is it, guys. This is what we've been working on. Show it to you again. The Type S exhaust. Back in a dual form.